All right, number 17, and I'm also going to throw in the next section because 17 is pretty quick. So select the correct inverse. All you have to do is the inverse for the following conditional statement. So remember, original is if P, then Q, and inverse is if not P, then not Q. So if 3x doesn't equal 9, 3x doesn't equal 9, that's going to have to be the first part. There's only one that even says that, which is going to be C. So the answer is C. If 3x does not equal 9, then x does not equal 3. And that is number 17. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next section, 18. Numbers 1 through 9. Algebraic proofs. Well, we're starting over here. Okay. Well, let's do it up here. So, 1. QR equals QR. Which property is that? That is reflexive. Number 2, if AB equals CD, then AB plus EF equals CD plus EF. All we did was add EF to both sides, so that's going to be the addition property of what? Equality, because there's an equal sign. Number 3, if RS plus TU equals XY and TU equals WV, then RS plus WV equals XY. All I did was substitute. I took out the TU and stuck in the WV because they told me those are equal to each other. So that's going to be the substitution property, E. Next, number 4. If JK equals LM, then segment JK is congruent to segment LM. And that is the definition of congruence, I. Number 5. If segment AB is congruent to segment BC, and segment BC is congruent to segment CE, then segment AB is congruent to segment CE, and that's going to be the transitive property. If the cat is really a dog and the dog is really a giraffe, then the cat's really a giraffe. Number 6, if 2xy equals yz, then xy equals 1/2 yz. We divided both sides by 2, so that means we use the division property of equality. That would be D. Number 7. Oh, they gave you some extra ones here to try to trick you up. I see there's 4 choices left and only 2 questions. Okay. If Q is between P and R, then PQ plus QR equals PR. So that looks like this. Here's P, here's R, P, R, and here's Q. They're telling me that PQ plus QR equals the whole thing. 2 parts added together equals the whole. That is the segment addition postulate, which is K. And last one, 8. If 2KL equals KL plus MN, then KL equals MN. They subtracted a KL from both sides. Ooh, and then boom, so we had KL equals MN. So that means we use the subtraction property of equality, B. So our answers were F, A, E, I, H, D, K, B. And that is the end of numbers 1 through 8.